So, di nag-get ng corner guys. So, tining advantage ko na kaya na-good pa rin. Then, good team naman sa inyo.
Coach, good evening. Please talk about your proposal during the preseason interviews that you will be using Kevin as a point guard or maybe yes.
Well, again, that's the beauty of having him. You know, that those last few possessions of the game, wherein, you know, he's gonna make the right decision. And we always tell this in our team: Kevin will win games for us, and he will lose games for us. You know, the fact that he had 5 turnovers was just evident of you know, the freedom that he has. And then, yun nga sinabi niya kanina, sisisihin ko rin naman siya kahit ano mangyari. So he took the better route, which is, you know, not only getting himself open but getting his teammates open. What's good about those last possessions was our defense. You know, I think na over ano lang yung tira niya, but the way those guys defended, you know, them getting those crucial stops and crucial rebounds is just, you know, a testament of, you know, how much these guys really wants to, you know, find ways to win. And that's going to be the story of our season. We're always going to grind it out with all the teams that we're going to face.
Thank you.
Kevin, ano na lang, yung question ko is, yung mga moments na gano'n, close game, late in the game on the line, and nasa'yo yung bola, you know, win or lose, depende yun sa'yo. Yung courage to take that shot, nade-develop ba yan? Or parang, for you, it's like, bahala na, it's up to faith na lang, pumasok, I'm willing to live with it.
Yung confidence naman is nagmumula tayo sa'yo. Kung ano yung tinitira mo sa game, yun yung lagi mong ginagawa sa everyday sa practice. So, yung instincts lang na play off each other and then kailangan mo may mag-take over ng guy dahil na struggle ka ng buong game. So, nag-give the example lang sa mga kakampi ko and then pinakita ko lang na kung ano yung brand ng basketball natin. And then, good thing naman na nakiklik kami sa depensa nung last 30 minutes and then ayun nga, nakuha namin yung panalo. So, ayun, lahat ng teams ganun magiging style sa gagawin ko yung best lang. Matalo lang namin, pero gagawin namin.
Personal na sabi, I need to take over, or was there an instruction from the coaches na take over na this is your spot?
Dun sa liquids din na wala naman instruction. Lagi nga sinasabi ni coach, teachers lang sila, kayo naglalaro, bahala ka lang. May freedom na gawin ka ng gusto. So, as one of the veterans na ngayon sa team, kailangan ko lang pakita na aluwang kong patalo. So, ina-encourage ko sila na kaya natin to, hindi ba tapos to. And then, kailangan natin gawin to, and dapat gawin natin. So, yun, good thing na umayon yung sitwasyon sa amin. And then, ayun nga, pinagandaan talaga namin itong mga moments na dito dahil alam namin na lahat ng team will grind out kami every day.
Congratulations, Coach Topex and KQ. See you for the next. Oh, we're just one more.
Yeah. So, Brian.
Hi, Coach. Coach, yung 3 other games, blowout, and then out of all the teams, kumbaga reigning champion yung dikit na laban. How good or how hard yung test na napukpok agad kay first game moving forward against all teams, starting against Adamson on Wednesday?
I think yun yung gusto, I mean, we learn through those experiences. I mean, we'd rather play these kind of games that will just test us to the metal. We have 7 guys that are coming in as rookies. So the more that they get exposed in this kind of situation, it pretty much prepares us for the finals. And yun nga yung pinag-usapan namin prior to the game, all games that we will play, we're gonna treat this as championships. Kumbaga hanggang masanay kami, and sabi nga, ang question sa amin, which I really experienced when I was with Alaska, is what can you do today that will get you closer to winning a championship? And that was the challenge to everyone. And today proved that these kind of games will get us closer to winning a championship. And we'll not always win games, but we'll always learn from the mistakes that we make, and we're just gonna get better. And we're just gonna keep on sharpening our saw and try to be a really cohesive team. And we're excited to play Wednesday because Adamson also came from a win. And then that's gonna be a good experience for us also.
Thank you, Coach.
You.
Thank you.